Hello, I hope you had some fun making a collage like this, having rubbed wax crayon over the leaf and seen all the different patterns you can get, and then you can make a nice picture this way. But now I'm going to do something else with the leaves. You're also using wax crayons. I'm going to move those out of the way and I'm going to bring my leaves back. Now this time I'm going to draw around the leaf with wax crayon. Okay. And it doesn't matter what colour wax crayon you use. And now, do you remember I said it's got fingers going up? So let's draw in those fingers going to the pointy parts. Okay, so there we have one leaf drawn. Now I'm going to draw another leaf, and it doesn't matter if it goes over the top a little bit. So I'm going to draw around that one. It's got a bit of a wiggly edge. And that one's got a big vein going up the middle, so let's do that. We'll put the big vein going up the middle. Now let's have another one. What colour shall we make that? Purple. Okay, so this one, it's got a wavy edge. There we go. All the way around. And now let's look at what happens with the veins here. Oh, there's one that goes up the middle. And then there's some that come out. One there, one there. They come out from the center. Do they come out opposite each other? No, they don't. It's sort of one this way, one that way. And then there are lots and lots of little, I mean, if you've got time and you want to do this, you can fill in all the different veins that you can see. Make it interesting. And it makes you really look at the leaf. That's the second one. Then this oak leaf, I find an interesting shape. Let's make this one orange. Okay, and we come round that. And the thing is, you don't need to pick leaves off the trees or off the plants. If you look on the ground, you'll find lots of interesting old leaves that are just as fun to play with. Now, what happens with this one? Big vein up the middle, and then they do come out opposite each other and they go into the points. There we go, and into the points. And I can carry on filling up the picture with lots and lots of leaves, and it's quite nice if they lie over each other. Now what I'm going to do is take some watery paint. Just mix it up nicely, and let's paint over the top. Oh! It doesn't want to go over the wax. The wax repels it, pushes it away. So that can give me quite a nice picture. And you can actually mix colours. You can have different little pots of watery paint. You could have a blue one, you could have a yellow one, and if they mix together you might find that you get some green colour, which would be nice for leaves. So that's one. We can make a nice picture that way. I'm going to set that aside, and now I want to show you how you can just make it a little bit more interesting by using white. So you've got to be a little bit careful because you won't know what you're doing, but let's just hold this down and draw around it and see what happens. I did pick a bit of a complicated leaf here. I might leave bits out and not notice. Okay, I'm only going to do one just to show you. And I really can't, oh hang on, I can just see that I left something out. And let's just see if I can look sideways and see what happened and put a vein up the middle. And now, there's a little bit of green there, but that's come off the leaf. Now, if we paint over it, the same thing will happen, but you can't really see where the wax is until you put the paint on. And you'll see which gaps you left out. And if you like, if you want to do that, you can leave it to dry and then you can do another layer and paint over that as well.